Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here and happy holidays. Happy holidays guys. It's December 24th. Today, Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Day tomorrow. Oh my God, where has the time gone? So I'm just on here to say a quick hello, a quick goodbyes. My goodbye is just temporary. I'm just going to be taking a bit of a break between Christmas and New Year's. Don't panic. It's going to be okay. And I was doing some reflecting the other day, and I thought I should come and share with you guys my thoughts. It's December 24th today, and I was thinking back December 24th, 2020. I was living in central London in the UK, and you know, of course, those were uncertain times. I've already been through my divorce and making plans to come back here. And the things that I have accomplished in the matter of a year is remarkable. You know, I came back to Canada, I got myself a job, I started my business, I have a beautiful home, I'm happy and I'm healthy, and I thank God. The power of prayer is important, guys. Anything that you are going through, go to God in prayer. Trust me, He's going to help you. You're going to be guided through, you're going to be getting the clues as you go through life, and everything is going to be fine. So I just want to say thank you to you guys, you know, those of you who keep coming back to my channel. I don't have a massive following here on YouTube, but for those of you who constantly leave comments, thank you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for clicking on the videos. Even if you watch the video for 2 minutes, I still thank you. And I just want to wish the best for all of you guys throughout this holiday season. And we're hoping that 2022 would be a little bit different, would be a little bit calmer, but I doubt it, because if they're expecting this Omicron numbers to multiply and get higher by the end of December, it's not going to be subsiding anytime soon in the new year. We just have to you know, do our part by social distancing. I am not going to my family's this year for Christmas. I made that quite clear, and it's not because I don't want to get together with my family Christmas Day. The fact that I don't want to be part of a gathering or a crowd, it really concerns me. So I am doing my part to maintain my social distancing, to not be part of a group or a crowd, because I'm trying to protect myself and I'm trying to protect family and friends as well. That's what we all have to do. And I mean, I know it's a difficult time not to get together with families and friends, but listen, it is what it is. We are living in extraordinary times right now, so we of course have to take extraordinary measures to protect ourselves. That's what we have to do until, you know, this variant, you know, is really beginning to subside, because the feeling that I do have is a feeling of fatigue, because just when I thought that we were making some strides forward out of this, we are back to square one. We are back to the beginning. Some countries are back in lockdown. So we have no idea how this is going to end. I would just encourage every single person who is watching to just take a moment and go to God and pray and say, listen, God, we need to get this virus out of our lives. This is just destroying too many people. People's lives are being destroyed and all of that. But only prayers can help us throughout this pandemic. We just have to try. So on that note, I just want to wish all of you guys a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, have a fantastic New Year, be safe, be well, count your blessings as you go through life, be good to people, be kind to people, and just do the best you can to be a good citizen, to be a good person, to be a good friend, and that's all we can do in this world that we are sharing together. Okay, so on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. You may or may not see videos next week. I do have some videos filmed. They haven't been edited yet, so they may be going up next week. I don't know, but even if you see videos next week, I am not filming. I am going to be filming videos back in 2022, hopefully. And much love to you guys. I do appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video today. Have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I send you guys virtual hugs and kisses. And I thank you, and until we meet again. Ciao. Bye.